All right, today guys, we're featuring a 2016 Honda Pilot Touring. It's a certified Honda Pilot. It has a clean Carfax, no accidents reported. It is a one owner. This is really nice lunar silver color, but I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. This car is extremely clean. It is a 2016, so it's like new. Coming down the driver's side of the vehicle, everything looks in really great shape. No problems at all. Come along the back end of it here. It does have the rear park assist and the rear camera. As you can see there, it is a Touring Edition, so that's top of the line. We'll come on down the passenger side here. Everything looks really good on this vehicle. It's in mint condition. It's a certified unit, which is really nice. Clean Carfax. 19,000 miles on it. We'll go ahead and check out the inside. As we open up the door on the Pilot, we notice that it does have memory seating, which is there. It does have the Econ button mode where it helps on the gas mileage and everything. It does have the park assist button. It also has lane mitigation and collision alert. And this button here is the blind spot monitoring system. You flip the turn signal on to make a lane change, and on the video screen, touch screen there, it shows you the side view that is in your blind spot, which is a really cool feature. It does have gray leather power driver seat. The leather's in really good shape. It's got 19,000 miles on it, guys, and this car smells like a brand new car. I mean, it still has that brand new car smell in it. Comes with 2 keyless fobs, as you can see here. Sunroof and DVD player. And then I like this feature here, the transmission. It's a push button transmission. And the layout's really cool. It comes with heated seats, dual climate controls, touch screen there. We'll fire that up in a little bit. It's got the push button start. It also has a leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. It also has the collision and the lane mitigation as well. Really cool car. Mint condition here, guys. It smells like a brand new car. It's only got 19,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. One thing I want to show you right here on the door first. It's got a cool little screen that comes up. Got kids or something like that. It's a really nice feature. It's got the screen that comes up. Knocks down the glare in the back glass, especially for younger kids. It's a really nice feature. The leather back here is in great shape. Not a wrinkle, not a scratch back here. Everything looks really good. It does come with the nice rubber floor mats on it, like the all-weather floor mats, which is a really cool feature. Go ahead and let you take a look at this back here. Let me get down here where you can see it. Audio controls and stuff for the rear. Rear heat, rear air. Also equipped with a DVD player as well. And let me show you another feature too. Oh, let me show you this right quick too. It also has the headphones, the DVD player as well. Check those out. And then another cool feature is it's third row seating. So what you do is there's a button right back here behind the seat. You just touch that button, seat folds open by itself. Easy access to the third row. And everything on the third row seating looks good. Leather's in great shape. And then to put it back, you just grab the seat, fold it up, push it back. Really simple, really easy to do. Let me go ahead and sit down. I'll give you the driver's eye view of the front. Let you check out the layout up here. Everything is really clean. It's in mint condition. It's basically a new car for the used car price, guys. Go ahead and let's check out the cargo area back here in the back. As you can see, the third row seating right there. It doesn't leave you too much room back here in the back, but if you don't have 3 rows of occupants, you pull this down, seats fold right up, and then you have plenty of room back here for whatever you need to put back there. Storage, suitcases, golf clubs, anything you need. It's plenty of room. It does have a power outlet back here in the back, which is convenient. Everything is really nice and clean back here as well. It's also equipped with the power hatch. Let you check that out. Everything nice and smooth with that. And And just so you can see, to open, all you do is just touch the button there, and it raises right up. Go ahead and walk around here to the passenger side. Let you take a look at the front seat on the passenger side here. Everything's in great condition. Nothing out of place here, not even a wrinkle in the leather, guys. This thing is fantastic. It is equipped with 20-inch alloys. I'll go ahead and zoom in on those, let you check them out. Really sharp looking wheel there. The tread is in great shape too. Almost a brand new set of tires, but as you can see, there's plenty of tread left on them. Alright, I wanted to show you guys a few things. It is also equipped with remote start. When we also fired up, I wanted to show you the dash and all the controls here. It does have the heated seats, dual climate controls. We've had the AC going now for about 10 minutes. Everything's blowing cold with it. But it also has navigation. Just a push of the button brings up the map. Really nice large touch screen there. Take it back to the home screen. Let you see all the options there. It is also equipped with the rear backup camera. And we'll let you check out the steering wheel. I've already showed you that one time, but really nice leather wrap steering wheel. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 19,331 miles on it. Alright guys, once again, this is a 2016 Honda Pilot Touring Edition. It's a certified unit, clean Carfax, no accidents reported. It's a one owner. This is a beautiful car. It's a 2016, 19,000 miles on it. It is brand new almost. It smells new, looks new. It's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.